Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and very simple baby blanket pattern. For this pattern, we have to repeat 4 rows only. I made this pattern with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then start chaining. The number of chains in this pattern should be a multiple of 5 plus 3. So make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And repeat these groups of 5 chains until the length of these chains reach the desired size, and at the end, add 3 chains. I made 38 chains totally, and now start row 1. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into 4th chain from the hook. Okay, these 3 chains counts as first double crochet, and this is the second double crochet. Then make 2 chains and skip 2 chain of foundation chains, 1, 2, and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains. Okay, skip 1, 2 and go to 3rd chain and make 1 double crochet here. Again, 1 double crochet into the next and 1 double crochet into the next chain. 2 chains, skip the next 2 chains and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Again, 2 chains, skip the next 2 chains and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and repeat this sequence. Make 2 chains, skip next 2 chain and make 1 double crochet into next 3 chains until the end of the row. At the end of row 1, after last 2 chains, I have 4 chains. Skip 2 of them and make 1 double crochet into last 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now I have 2 stitches at the end of the row, such as these 2 stitches of beginning row. Okay, now for next row, make a chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then make a shell stitch with 5 double crochets into this chain to space yarn over, insert hook into this space and make 1 double crochet, and again make 1 double crochet into same space and repeat that 3 more times, 1, 2 and 3. I have a shell stitch with 5 double crochets. Then skip next double crochet and make 1 single crochet into second double crochet, and again skip the next. Actually, we have 3 double crochets. We have to make 1 single crochet into middle of them. Okay, then again repeat this sequence. Make 1 shell stitch into this chain to space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then make 1 single crochet into middle stitch of these 3 double crochets. Continue this work, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 1 single crochet into middle stitch of these 3 double crochets and repeat that sequence until then. After last shell stitch, I have 2 stitches left. This is a double crochet and this is 3 chains. We have to make 1 single crochet into each of them here and 1 single crochet into 3rd chain of these 3 chains. Now I have 7 shell stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. I start next row 3 with 3 chains as a double crochet and turn the work. Then make 1 double crochet into second stitch of previous row and make a chain. And now I have 5 double crochet. Skip the first and the last double crochet and make 1 double crochet into second, third and fourth. Okay, skip next stitch and make 1 double crochet into 3 middle stitches of shell stitch. Skip the next and make 2 stitches. Okay, then skip next single crochet and go to next shell stitch and skip the first double crochet of that and make 1 double crochet into second double crochet, 1 double crochet into the third double crochet and 1 double crochet into the fourth double crochet of this shell stitch. Chain 2, skip next 3 stitches. That the first is 1 double crochet of this shell stitch, the second is the middle single crochet and the third is the first double crochet of next shell stitch. Okay, and make 1 double crochet into next middle stitches, 1 2 and 3. Actually we have to chain 2, skip next 3 stitch and make 1 double crochet into next 3 stitch and continue this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 3 and I have 3 stitches left. Chain 1 and skip next stitch and make 1 double crochet into last 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Okay, for next row, row 4, make 3 chains as first double crochet and turn the work. And now I have to make 1 incomplete shell stitch into next stitch. Okay, I make 3 double crochet here into this double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and then make 1 single crochet into middle stitch of these 3 double crochets. And now make 1 complete shell stitch into this chain 2 space, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 double crochets into this chain 2 space. Make 1 single crochet into middle stitch of these 3 double crochets. Make 1 shell stitch with 5 double crochets into this chain 2 space. And this sequence should be repeated until the end of the row. Continue this work until the end. At the end, after last single crochet into middle stitch of this last group, skip this chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet into this double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and then make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. That's 3 chains. Okay, now I have 1 incomplete shell stitch at the beginning and 1 incomplete shell stitch at the end, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 complete shell stitch at the middle, 1 less than shell stitches of this row, row 2. And now I want to start row 5 with 3 chains as a double crochet and turn the work and make 1 double crochet into second stitch, then 1 double crochet into third stitch. I have 3 stitch at the beginning of this row. Then make 2 chains and skip 1 2 3 stitch and then make 3 double crochet into next 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3. We make these 3 stitches into the middle stitch of first shell stitch. Okay, skip the first double crochet and last double crochet of that and make 1 double crochet into second, third and fourth stitch of that. Again, chain 2, skip 1, 2, 3 and make double crochet into next 3 middle stitches of shell stitch, and continue that. 2 chains, skip 1, 2, 3 and make 1 double crochet into next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and continue this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 5 after last chain 2, skip 1, 2, 3 and make 1 double crochet into last 3 stitches, 1, 2 and the last double crochet should be worked into third chain of beginning chains of previous row. Okay, now row 5 is finished, and now I want to start next row, row 6, with 1 chain and turn the work, then make 1 single crochet into each of first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and we have to skip this stitch and make 1 shell stitch into this chain to space, and after that make 1 single crochet into the middle stitch of these 3 stitches, and continue this work. Make 1 shell stitch into chain to space and make 1 single crochet into second stitch of these 3 stitches until the end of the row. At the end, after last shell stitch, I have 3 stitches left. Skip the first and make 1 single crochet into each of last 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and row 6 is finished. Now we have to repeat these 4 rows from row 3 to row 6. Row 3, 4, 5 and 6 should be repeated several times until the height of this pattern reach the desired size. Okay, I made those 4 rows one more time, and this is my pattern. You can make this pattern in a larger size and use that for any project. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.